What's up, people? Landon with LMR.com, and welcome to another LMR.com What Is video. This time around, we're going to be talking about all things 1999 to 2004 Mustang, and like any of our What Is videos, there is a lot of stuff to talk about, so let's get rolling. 1999 to 2004 Mustangs were codenamed New Edge. They are technically SN95 Mustangs and were still built on the Fox body platform. The term New Edge came to be because of the car's sharper body lines and more aggressive profile versus the bulbous, rounded-looking 1994 to 1998 Mustangs. The exterior design of the New Edge Mustang was drastically different to its older SN95 sibling. The Mustang design team completely restyled the entire body of the car, and just like the first-gen SN95 cars, Ford still offered coupe and convertible models. Now, the most noticeable difference for the 1999 to 2004 Mustangs, again, were those sharper, more quote-unquote edgier body lines. Every aspect and angle of the New Edge Mustang was more defined and incorporated that edgier profile throughout. Now, the headlights were a one-piece assembly versus the two-piece assembly of years past and were available in a chrome housing for 99 and 2000 cars, and then Ford switched that to a black housing for the 2001 to 2004 cars. The sides of the Mustang followed the same sharp body lines as the front bumper and the hood and flowed into faux side scoops. Similar to the headlights, the 99 and 2000 cars had lower profile scoops, whereas the 2001 and 2004 GT models received a little bit larger, more complete looking scoop, if you will. Finishing off the car was a new rear bumper and taillights that still encompassed the classic styling of the Mustang with 3-row vertical rectangular lenses. Of course, throughout the 1999 to 2004 era, the New Edge cars sported a few different wheel options depending on the trim level. The interior of the New Edge Mustang didn't differ all that much from the 1994 to 1998 cars. It still features the dual cockpit design that shared similar characteristics with the 1990 to 1997 Thunderbirds. Leather and cloth upholstery were available in a wide variety of color schemes and styles, depending on the vehicle's options and trim level. A few new interior colors were also available, which included medium parchment, dark parchment, medium graphite, and the ever so popular, and my personal favorite, dark charcoal. Ford still utilized the high-performance Mach 460 stereo system, but it did add the Mach 1000 system as an offering in 2002. Now, the Mach 1000 system, it was pretty darn legit for a factory option stereo system. In addition to the upgraded components from the Mach 460 setup, the Mach 1000 came equipped with two 10-inch subs mounted on both sides of the trunk and a pretty trick amp rack that consisted of multiple amps that could hammer out 1000 watts of power. So for the most part, the suspension, brakes, and drivetrain remain largely unchanged from the first-gen SN95 cars. All 1999 to 2004 V6 models would utilize the tried and true T5 transmission. The 99 and 2000 GT and Cobra models were equipped with a T45 5-speed transmission, while Ford made the switch to the more refined TR3650 5-speed gearbox in 2001. All 1999 to 2004 automatic cars were equipped with the 4-speed 4R70W. Depending on the trim level of the car, there were a few other transmission offerings, such as the 6-speed T56 manual transmission that was used in the 2000 Cobra R and 0304 Cobras. Automatic Mach 1s did receive a 4R75W trans, which had some upgraded internal parts and was just a touch stronger than the 4R70W. So as far as engine options go, there were a total of 6 engine varieties if we're technically counting because of the 0.1 liter differences in the V6 engine during the 1999 to 2004 timeline. Those engines included a 3.8 liter pushrod V6 for 99 to 03 cars, and then a 1-year only 3.9 liter V6 for 2004. 4.6 liter V8s with single overhead cam and dual overhead cam configurations, and a Cobra R exclusive 5.4 double overhead cam V8. There was even a factory supercharged 4.6 liter 4-valve engine that was stuffed inside of the 0304 Cobra. Next up, I'm going to talk about the specialty models and discuss a few of their attributes. We'll save the finer details for future What Is videos. So the first specialty package for this era was the 35th anniversary package in 1999 to celebrate the Mustang's 35th year of production. It was only available in white, red, black, and silver metallic, and this appearance package came on roughly 2,318 GT coupes and 2,310 GT convertibles. A few features of this package were the raised forward-facing hood scoop and black hood stripe down the center of the hood, pedestal-style rear spoiler, larger side scoops, which were the ones from the 01 to 04 GT models, unique rocker moldings, and the 17 by 8 inch 5-spoke wheels were machined with a bright finish, and the recesses were painted a dark gray. Inside of the 35th anniversary Mustangs were black leather trim seats with silver inserts and pony logo, retro aluminum shift knob for manual cars, silver door trim inserts, and a silver instrument cluster with 35th anniversary script. The 1999 and 2001 SVT Cobras featured a redesigned 4.6-liter 4-valve engine, which cranked out 320 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque at the flywheel. Although fairly early in the 1999 production run, Ford recalled every 99 Cobra that they had sold, which was around 5,300 cars, because of their anemic performance. Well, come to find out from an SVT spokesman, there was excess aluminum in the intake manifold left over from the casting process, as well as restrictive mufflers. That created too much back pressure, so in layman's terms, the engine was choked up. So Ford fixed both problems by issuing new components. Along with those updates, Ford engineers made calibration changes to the PCM as well. The 1999 and 2001 Cobras featured a unique front bumper and what is known in the aftermarket as amber taillights. These are also referred to as export taillights. Both of these are now worth what someone is willing to pay because of how hard they are to come by. Now, if you're a die-hard Mustang enthusiast, then you've probably heard of the 2000 Cobra R. Like the two other R models before it, this Mustang is a refined corner carving monster right off of the showroom floor that was stripped of any factory amenity that wasn't needed for track use or that would add excess weight. Ford's special vehicle team took 300 performance red Cobras and turned them into one of the most unique high-performance Mustangs Ford had ever been. The 2000R was equipped with a special-built, naturally aspirated 5.4 double overhead cam engine that cranked out 385 horsepower and 385 pound-feet of torque at the flywheel. In 2001, Ford introduced the Bullet, which was a performance derivative of the GT and inspired by the legendary 1968 Mustang Fastback that co-starred with Steve McQueen in the classic Warner Brothers Pictures film, Bullet. The decision to bring the Bullet into production came after Ford received overwhelming positive response from consumers who first saw a concept version from the 2000 Los Angeles Auto Show. The 2001 Bullet features unique exterior, interior, and performance enhancements that visually and emotionally connect the car to the 1968 Fastback from the movie. The Bullet was available in dark Highland green, true blue, and black with a production total of 5,582 cars. Because of the Bullet's unique intake manifold and twin 57mm throttle body, its two-valve was rated at 265 horsepower and 305 pound-feet of torque at the flywheel. While there is great debate on the existence of a 2002 Cobra, there were 100 made here in the US and exported to the land down under, Australia. The 2002 Cobra had many different features not seen on US-based cars due to the motor vehicle regulations in Australia. In 2003, Ford celebrated yet another milestone with the Mustang Centennial Edition. This 2003 version of the Mustang commemorated Ford's 100th year since the company's founding. The Centennial Edition Mustang was only available in ebony black, which paid homage to the Model T from 1903. All Centennial Edition Mustangs came equipped with the premium package, and whoever purchased these cars new also received a Ford history book, a black watch, and a keychain. Talk about complimentary, right? The total production for the Centennial Edition Mustang was 2,040 vehicles that consisted of 717 coupes and 1,323 convertibles. This $995 upgrade option included Verona grain, Amola leather seating surfaces, and two-tone parchment with 100th anniversary logos embossed into the seats and special Centennial badging on the front fenders and deck lid. So continuing with the heritage theme, let's dive into the 2003 and 2004 Mach 1 Mustang. This was Ford's second throwback to the 60s for the new Edge Mustang. The Mach 1 had clear cosmetic touches reminiscent of the 69 and 70 Mach 1s, which instantly became a classic with its retro looks and modern power. Like any and all specialty models, the 03-04 Mach 1 had its fair share of unique touches. A few of those included heritage-themed wheels, a functional shaker hood scoop, and a naturally aspirated 4.6-liter double overhead cam engine that pumped out 305 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque at the flywheel. So alongside the Mach 1, Ford offered the Cobra in 2003 and 2004 as well. However, this wasn't like the Cobras of years past. John Coletti and the team at SVT pushed all their chips toward the center of the table and built, at the time, the best Mustang ever. What was nicknamed the Terminator, mainly because of the discontinuation of the Camaro in 2002, the 0304 Cobra was nothing short of amazing. It featured several unique components throughout the entire car and was powered by a special-built supercharged I got horse. Tummy. The tummy wee! It featured several unique components throughout the entire car and was powered by a special-built supercharged 4.6-liter double overhead cammed engine that was rated at 390 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque at the flywheel. For 2004, which was the last production year for the new Edge Mustang, Ford offered a subtle 40th anniversary package, which was available for both the base model and the GT. This package could only be ordered with black, Oxford white, or crimson red paint, which, by the way, crimson red was exclusive to the 40th anniversary package. This package featured a dual hood stripe with matching rocker stripes and painted mirrors, which were the same mirrors from the 0304 Cobra. Interior-wise, the 40th anniversary package received a deluxe parchment interior that included brushed aluminum foot pedals, gray metallic inner doorknobs and shifter bezel, and painted center console inserts. Throughout the 1999 to 2004 model years, good old Jack Roush and Steve Saleen were still adding their own touch of performance and styling to the Mustang. Now, because of all of the different options, I'm not going to go down the rabbit hole on Roush and Saleen Mustangs. We'll save all that good stuff for a dedicated video sometime in the near future. Each company offered a few different packages, stages, and very limited edition cars throughout this timeline. These upgrades included interior and exterior styling, as well as engine, drivetrain, and suspension improvements. So wrapping it all up here, the new Edge Mustang is one of my favorite Mustangs. Having known the white 99 GT, I'll always be partial to the 99 to 04 cars. Little tidbit of information for you, Ford did sell an estimated 952,783 Mustangs during the 1999 to 2004 era. As always, to see more videos like this one, along with product reviews and detailed installs, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share this video with your friends, and make sure your notifications are turned on, that way you don't miss any of our future uploads. And until we catch you guys in the next What Is video, you know what to do. Keep it right here with the Real Mustang Enthusiasts, LMR.com.